Hi guys, it's your girl you get me? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that shit. We're going to an unexpected trip to Sun City, so I thought I should maybe share a quick vlog. As you can see, there are so many things I have done. I haven't done my hair. I haven't gone waxing. I was supposed to go wax tomorrow. I don't even know if it's gonna be possible anymore to go get waxed tomorrow. We don't know. So yeah, I'm taking that with me. No, and I'm busy packing. The time is 20 minutes past 5. Mom says she's coming to pick us up at 6. So I'm running against time. So maybe this is gonna be a little bit messy, but yeah, stick with me. Because my hair is not done, I'm going with all of my wigs. I'm taking all of my wigs because this is very short notice. I do not know which way I want to wear tomorrow, and also I don't want my installation on for too long, so I'm taking these glues with me. I'm taking the purple one, irregular mama. And then again I bought it. I decided I want to start installing my own hair, so I'm gonna take both of them. Because Anna is obviously almost done, so Anna is just there for backup. I'm gonna use this because I want to do my hair on Thursday, so I want it to be easy for me to remove the hair. I already packed my daughter's bag. All that's left is my bag, and yeah. Time is 12:44. I was sitting here looking at myself, and I decided maybe I want to install straightener or a tongue. I was gonna wear this hammer because when I took a maintenance or munzi that I do not have, I'm not gonna wear it, but I would have loved to wear it because it's short. It's like, cause no we don't feel like you, like you're really good to go. And if you look at, let me just try to comment. Maybe there's a way to save it. We don't know. Six, 7, 8, 9. Maybe. Marami na kakain niya pa.
Willow na siya sa lolo.
It's not working out. It's really like this. Something needs to be done about this. So I'm not going to install it until I buy myself a straightener.
Isa. Isa. Ah, wait. Isa.
Let's see. With this one. We all know. We all know. I'm Monday. It's like, I don't have peppercorns. This is all I have to my 80 page. We only had a few minutes to pack it. Bye so ça c'est ça la voz fiz essa pilha. Aku tadi sama Jim dan Mas gak ada dia terlalu usah hidup kasih.
As I'm putting on the bonnet, I changed my mind. I think I'm gonna sleep with the melting band off because it's a lot. Some must still seeking glory.
See you tomorrow.
Good morning.
Bye.
It's no, Anna. It's 3 minutes past 9. Excuse me. It's 7 minutes past 9. I do not know when is breakfast. Kalanga guys telling me breakfast day is ongoing and it will be over at 10. I don't know why. That's just what I'm thinking because Mama Bani, she didn't communicate it to us. Maybe we're not even gonna have breakfast here at the hotel. So I don't know. I accidentally hit the microphone, so what I'm saying here was muted. But what I was telling you guys is that we are now going to take a bath. Because mom has her room and we have our room. My younger siblings are gonna bath in the room that we slept in, and me and my daughter are going to bath in my mother's room. I just took a bath and we are waiting like no other relay in room dining. So since Ramazan breakfast, that is why we can't check out. We asked for a late checkout, but they said Hore, there are no late checkouts. Why do I look like that? There are no late checkouts because there are a lot of people coming in. So yeah, in essence, I really feel like check out. But yeah, that was my night in That was my night in Sun City, SOHO. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and the works. Don't forget it. For me, you're going, I'm out.